हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम इडियम के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले हम इडियम को डिफ़ाइन करेंगे, हम इडियम को सही तरीके से समझ लेंगे। फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ इडियम्स है, उनको भी समझ लेंगे, उनको उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट भी करेंगे और उसके साथ उनको सेंटेंसेस में भी इस्तेमाल करेंगे ताकि हम इडियम को सही तरीके से समझ सकें। तो देखते हैं, एक डेफिनेशन हमारे पास है इडियम का। An idiom is a phrase or expression that typically presents a figurative, non-literal meaning attached to the phrase, but some phrases become figurative idioms while retaining the literal meaning of the phrase. An idiom's figurative meaning is different from the literal meaning. So, in this definition, we need to keep in mind two things. One is that idiom typically presents a figurative meaning, non-literal meaning. It is attached to the phrase, means the literal meaning of the phrase is different, whereas it has a figurative meaning. It has a non-literal meaning that presents the phrase. One thing we have to keep in mind. Then how will we come to know about what is the meaning of this phrase? This is the question. So we need to memorize the definition, the translation, the actual meaning of the idiom. Then we will come to know about this is the meaning of the idiom and we will be able to use that in sentence. दूसरी बात हमारे पास है, कुछ ऐसे फ्रेजेस भी होते हैं जिनके लिटरल मीनिंग उसका जो है फ्रेज का एक्चुअल मीनिंग के साथ मतलब मैच करता है, सिमिलर होते हैं वो। फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज नो एनी फिगरेटिव मीनिंग, द लिटरल मीनिंग इज सेम what the idiom presents the meaning in a sentence. So these two things we need to keep in mind. One, idiom has the literal meaning. Sometimes it gives the same as the literal meaning, and sometimes it gives the figurative meaning. The figurative meaning, non-literal meaning. It is a difficult thing. Okay, so let's see. We are having some examples we will come to know about. Okay, so the very first idiom we have is apple of eye. उसका उर्दू है आंख का तारा. Now we will use it in sentence. My son is an apple of my eye. Let's see. How can we say that? Here it is written an apple. Apple. Here it is written आंख का तारा. Apple of eye, आंख का तारा. Now तारा and apple both are different, but we have used them, we have translated them like this, it like this. Now when we use my son is an apple of my eye, so it gives us a sense that ankatara means that someone is beloved to you, then you will use apple of my eye, apple of eye. Okay, now come to next, apple of discord. Apple of discord, झगड़े की वजह. The meaning of this is झगड़े की वजह. Okay, झगड़े की वजह. Kashmir is the apple of discord between India and Pakistan. झगड़े की वजह means this is another thing. See, apple of discord, झगड़े की वजह. This is totally different from the literal meaning. It is totally different from the literal meaning, but it is presenting the meaning like the place there is an issue about something and it is the root cause of that particular thing. This is what actually the idiom. Okay, next is next is main of letters. Main of letters. Next is main of letters और उसका उर्दू बनता है अदीब. When we use it sentence, Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi was a man of letters. Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi was a man of letters. This is somehow, the literal meaning is somehow same as the meaning it presents. Okay, there's no more figurative meaning in this. Broken reed, غير yaqini sahara. This presents a figurative meaning. He proved to be a broken reed when I was in trouble. How beautiful idiom this is. Okay, next is our next idiom is idiom number 4, 9 days wonder. 9 days wonder. Now see, its literal meaning will be different. The wonder of 9 days. Okay, now it will be different. Now its literal, sorry, it is figurative meaning is mukhtasar, short. Okay, life is just a 9 days wonder. If you say life is just short, you say it gives a meaning. But in advanced level English, you use such type of idioms to make your speaking fluent and like native speaker when you use the language. Okay, so this is the use of the idiom. Uphill task, dushwar काम means, for this you can say difficult work, but instead we say uphill task. This is what it is, an idiom. That is why we are using. Okay, next is bolt from blue. Nagahani Afat. Nagahani Afat. His death was a bolt from blue to us. This is the sentence. Cat and a dog life. लड़ाई झगड़े वाली जिंदगी. Cat and a dog life. See, this is totally different. Its meaning is totally different. So this is what this is idiom. He and his wife are leading a cat and dog life. He and his life are leading a cat and a dog life. This is its sentence. Okay, next is main of words. Main of words. Wadeka paka. Main of words means wadeka pata paka. My friend is main of words. My friend is main of words means being, um, we can say, loyal to your promise. Okay, you are completing your promise, then you can use I am man of words, you can say. A storm in cup of tea, chai ki pyali mein तूफान, it is Urdu. Then our opposition is accustomed to create a storm in cup of tea. This is a sentence for this idiom. So these are some common idioms, we use them in sentences, and I hope that you have understood the idiom. If you haven't understood, you can leave a comment and we will work